Good morning, students. Let's see the continuity of solid state. In solid state, we are going to discuss about today three-dimensional closed packing, three-dimensional closed packing from two-dimensional. 2D means two-dimensional HCP layers. Okay, hexagonal closed packed layer, two-dimensional. Okay, in that second part is part 1 is completed already. Now in this part 2 is there, that is placing third HCP layer over second HCP layer. First HCP layer, second HCP layer, third HCP layer. Third HCP layer over second HCP layer. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే hexagonal close packed layers. Already we discussed about this, hexagonal close packed layer, two-dimensional means this is layer A, this is B. These two are not perfectly arranged, this is A, B. Okay, and again A. These two layers arranged perfectly same manner. So these two are same layer, B is different. Okay, this is again B layer, again we keep B layer. Okay, these two layer again same, so this is B layer. Am I right? AB type. So if you take which type it is, AB type packing. AB type packing. Okay, now what is the coordination number? If you take this particle, now this particle surrounded by 6 other particles, 6 other particles, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so it is nothing but of hexagon, hexagon arrangement. Hexagon means mathematically this is called hexagon. Okay, now coordination number of this sphere is 6. Why? Because number of touching sphere of this center sphere is 6. It can touch with 6 other spheres, so it is coordination number 6, and it is like hexagon arrangement. So it is called hexagonal two-dimensional, x-axis, y-axis, two-dimensional hexagonal closed packed structure. Hexagonal closed packing structure. Okay, HCP two-dimensional means. Okay, this is the first layer entire. Okay, now we can keep second layer, and also we placing third layer. సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ లేయర్, ఇలాంటి లేయర్స్ని నేను ఒక లేయర్ని ఇలా హారిజాంటల్గా పెడుతున్నాను, సేమ్ లేయర్ని సెకండ్ పెడుతున్నాను, అగైన్ థర్డ్ ఇలాంటి లేయర్ని థర్డ్ లేయర్ కూడా ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి అరేంజ్ చేస్తూ వెళ్తున్నాను. ఇలాంటి లేయర్స్ని ఏబి టైప్ లేయర్స్ని ఫస్ట్ లేయర్ అండ్ కీప్ సెకండ్ లేయర్. ప్లేసింగ్ సెకండ్ లేయర్ ఆన్ ది ఫస్ట్ లేయర్, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? Tetrahedral void and octahedral voids are generated. Already we discussed about that. Placing second layer over first layer already completed. In this purpose, there is possible tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. We completed the topic and formulas also. Okay. Now, third HCP layer placing first, second and third. First layer, second layer. Now, third layer placing on second layer. So, in this manner, what happened? There is two possibilities are there. Now, did you get my point? What is two-dimensional hexagonal packing? This is two-dimensional hexagonal closed packing layer. Already we discussed about that. Now, if you take these type of layers, 3 layers, okay. So, this is the first HCP layer. Now, keep second HCP layer on first. In this case, we discussed tetrahedral void and octahedral void. Okay, here. Now, placing third HCP layer over second layer. Now, this layer consists tetrahedral, octahedral voids. Tetrahedral and octahedral voids. Voids means empty space. Okay. Now third HCP layer placing on second. Now there is two possible arrangements are there. Two types of arrangements are possible here. One is by using this third layer we can cover only tetrahedral voids. Another possibility, we can arrange this third layer over octahedral void only. ఒక కేసులో మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, ఇది ప్లేస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఓన్లీ టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ వాయిడ్స్ మాత్రమే కవర్ చేస్తాము. ఇంకొక ప్లేస్లో ఏం చేస్తాము, ఇంకొకసారి అదే థర్డ్ లేయర్ని ఉపయోగించుకొని ఆక్టాహైడ్రల్ వాయిడ్స్ మాత్రం మనం కవర్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ప్లేసింగ్ థర్డ్ HCP లేయర్ ఓవర్ సెకండ్ HCP లేయర్. సెకండ్ HCP లేయర్ కన్సిస్ట్ tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids, spaces, empty spaces. One see the notes. Okay. Now in this manner, the first possibility is covering T means tetrahedral voids by placing third HCP layer over second HCP layer. So here we cover tetrahedral voids of second layer by using third HCP layer. Okay. In this case, what type of structure we have? Here this type is called HCP model. Keep it in our mind. HCP model, hexagonal closed packing model, we call it is. When we cover tetrahedral voids by using third layer in 3-dimensional packing, that is called as HCP model. Okay. And the arrangement of particles is here. This is AB type packing. AB type packing. AB type packing. Okay. Now the arrangement is like, can I remove this? Okay. Now the arrangement is, the HCP arrangement is, in the first possibility, here we covering tetrahedral void. The arrangement of particles here, first layer, first HCP layer, this is the center one, center particle, first layer. First HCP layer. This is layer A. Layer A. In the first layer. Okay. Now B layer is in B there is only 3 particles are there only. Okay. Now difference is there. This is B, this is A. The arrangement is different. Now this layer placed on this layer. Okay. Now the second layer placed on first layer. This is second HCP layer, that is B. Second layer placing first layer. In this case, tetrahydroids, octahydroids are generated. Already we discussed, students. Okay. This is A, B. Now again A placing third layer, third HCP layer. Third HCP layer is this is the sphere. There is 3 spheres surrounded by 3 spheres like A. This is again layer A, third layer, third HCP layer. A, B, A type. A, B, A. Okay, ma? Clear? Or I can just modify this. This is B. This is B, layer B. Okay. Now this is layer A. Small change here. This is layer HCP layer A. Let's see. First layer. Suppose this is the first layer. Second layer B, A, B. Again A type. Third layer. Third layer. Second layer placing on first layer. Third layer placing on second layer. Okay. This is the pattern. And again B layer. Again A layer. This is AB type. AB type. Okay. Now let's see. Now I would like to consider this particle, the center particle. Now this sphere touching with how many spheres? With how many spheres? 6 spheres. That means coordination number of this sphere is 6. Why? Because it is touching with 6. Okay. A layer. Now when we place, now this layer interact with this one, am I right? This layer, these 3 particles interact with this center particle. When we place these 3 particles on this center particle, then what happened? These 3 particles also interact with this center particle. Keep it in our mind. These are the 3 balls belongs to B, layer B. Placed on middle of the particle, then these 3 particles contact with or touching with this center sphere. Okay. Now this particle touching with this 6 and also touching with this 3 also. Now if you consider bottom layer, what happened here? Now this sphere can also touching with these 3 spheres also. When we Place the third layer over the second layer, the center sphere touching with the three spheres also. Okay, keep it in our mind. Okay, clear? Now what is the coordination number of this particle? Coordination number of this particle in ABAB type is 12. 12. Coordination number in this ABAB 3-dimensional closed packing from 2-dimensional HCP, the coordination number is 12. How it is possible? So first layer, A layer, B layer, and A layer, B layer, ABAB type layer. Now, if you take this one, what happened? If we consider this one, now this sphere touching with this 6, and when we keep third layer, that is B layer, over middle of the particle, now this particle also touching with these 3 spheres, and again bottom layer is there, these 3 particles also touching with these 3 spheres. Okay. Now this sphere contact with these 3 spheres, and these 3 spheres 6, and this with 6 spheres, with these 6 spheres, totally 12. 6 plus 3 plus 3. Now coordination number of this particle is 12. Very very important question. In ABAB type packing of 3-dimensional from using 2-dimensional hexagonal closed packing, the coordination number of the sphere is clearly 12. Keep that in your mind. You should need to draw this diagram. Okay, but the IPE question is, now write the important IPE question. Is it clear na? అర్థమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. ఏ లేయర్లో 6 ఉన్నాయి మిడిల్ పార్టికల్స్ చుట్టూ, దాని పైన లేయర్లో 3 ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 3 పార్టికల్స్ మిడిల్ లేయర్తో టచ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి, మిడిల్ పార్టికల్ తోటి. కింద ఉన్న లేయర్లో 3 పార్టికల్స్ కూడా మిడిల్ లేయర్తో టచ్ అవుతుంటాయి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు దాని కోఆర్డినేషన్ నెంబర్ ఎంత తీసుకుంటాం మనం? 12 తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, నౌ రైట్ ది 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్. What is the coordination number? What is the coordination number of hexagonal close packing lattice? Lattice means crystal or lattice structure. Lattice means crystal arrangement, like solid crystal lattice. Okay, that is, the answer is 12. Okay, 12. How it is 12? This is touching with, this particle touching with 6 particles and 3 particles and these 3 particles. Okay, this touching with these 6 spheres. So 6 particles are there, and these 3 particles also touching with middle one also. So 9, 6 plus 3 9, and also 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. Okay, no need to draw the diagram, just roughly draw this diagram. Okay, so this is the question. So why it is 12? This is the reason. Okay, now which voids here we covered? Tetrahedral void. When we covered tetrahedral void by using third SCP layer, we get SCP model. In SCP model, what is the coordination number? 12. And second possibility in 3-dimensional packing by using, when third layer placing on second layer, third layer only placing on second layer only, in that B is, okay, FCC or CCP model. CCP model. Okay. So that means third layer placing over second HCP layer. Okay, second HCP layer. In that B is covering octahedral void with spheres of third HCP layer. మనం ఫస్ట్ లేయర్ మీద సెకండ్ లేయర్ ఉంచినప్పుడు ఏబి టైప్ లేయర్స్ ని ఆక్టాహైడ్రల్ టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ వైడ్స్ జనరేట్ అయినాయి. థర్డ్ లేయర్ ని నేను ఫస్ట్ కేసు టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ వైడ్ మీద పెట్టాను, హెచ్సిపి మోడల్ జనరేట్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను అంటే థర్డ్ లేయర్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి స్పేస్ తోటి సెకండ్ లేయర్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆక్టాహైడ్రల్ వైడ్స్ ని కవర్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా, లెట్స్ సీ. This model is called ABC type model. ABC type model. Three layers are different. ABC in the above AB repeated, but ABC, A layer is different, B layer arrangement is different, C layer is different. All are SCP layers only. But the arrangement of layers are different. Third layer arrangement, keep it in our mind. Okay, here HCP, here FCC means face centered cubic closed packing. Face centered cubic closed packing. Okay, or face centered cubic, face centered cubic. Okay, face centered cubic closed packing. And also we call it is CCP, cubic closed packing. Cubic closed packing, both are same. FCC or cubic closed packing, both are same. So generated when we covered octahedral voids by using third layer spheres, then which type of model is generated? ABC model generated. Packing, this packing is called as FCC, face centered cubic or cubic closed packing. Okay, this model. Now what is that arrangement here? What is that arrangement? See the arrangement of particle and what is the expected coordination number here. Okay, let's see, ma. Now I would like to take first layer A type, okay, and then B type, second layer. Keep these three balls on middle ball. Okay, A, B, and so arrangement is different. These are the below vertex, Here the vertex, this is vertex is down, here vertex is upward, that means different layer. Third layer, this is C. Okay, third layer placing on second layer. When it covers, in this case it covers octahedral whites of second layer. Keep it in our mind. A, B, C. That means third layer is different than B and A. The three layers are different layers. A layer, B layers. Am I right? Not aligned perfectly. Okay, there is no perfect alignment. There is no exact alignment. A layer is different, B layer is different, C layer is different arrangement. Okay, and A, B, C, again draw A type. This is again A. Okay, and again B type, and again C type. So A, B, C type. A, B, C, these type of arrangements are there. First layer, second layer, third layer placing on second layer. Okay, these type of progress is different, progressing on in ABC. First layer, second layer, place third layer over on second layer. In this case, octahedral void is covered. Okay, now I would like to consider here this particle. Okay, what is the coordination number of this particle? Coordination number of this particle. Now this particle is already touching with six other spheres. Okay, now this same sphere also touching with these three spheres also. When we place these three spheres, that is B layer on this A layer, now these three spheres touching with middle sphere. Okay, so below layer is also there. Now these three spheres also touching with center one, am I right? Now these center particle touching with 12 spheres, 6 in the same layer and 3 on above layer, 3 on below layer. Now totally 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Coordination number is also 12 as SCP model. But that is ABAB pattern, but here it is ABC. These three layers are different. Okay, so ABC not aligned, okay, so three are different layers. Keep it in our mind. So expected coordination number is 12. Okay, now write the 2 marks question. Which type model it is? Clearly CCP or cubic close packing, or we also call it is FCC. Both are same. Write 2 marks question here. Important one. What is the coordination? What is the coordination number of? What is the coordination number of CCP or FCC lattice? Lattice means crystal like solid. Keep it in our mind. What is the coordination number of spheres of, sphere means particle, of CCP or FCC lattice? Answer is 12. 12 is the coordination number. Okay. So which type it is? ABC type. Okay. Not here. Not coordination number of a sphere in HCP, that is AB type, and and FCC and FCC or CCP is 12. In SCP 12 and here also 12, same. Okay, but SCP means what is the pattern? ABC, ABC. We just discussed it. Okay, okay, students. Thank you very much. And one more note. Okay, what is the packing efficiency? What is the packing efficiency of HCP and FCC or CCP? So how the particles are closed in this packing? So what is the maximum packing capacity? Is there any gap or not? Okay, now this is the tray. Okay, so how many particles are we can able to pack perfectly, and if is there any gaps are there or not? Okay, if no gaps are there, that is the perfect packing. That is called packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. So answer is 74% packing efficiency. 24% vacant space. That means ఖాళీగా ఉంటుంది క్రిస్టల్. సో ఒక బాక్స్ ఇలా తీసుకొని మనం ఇందులో పార్టికల్స్ అరేంజ్ చేయమన్నాం అనుకోండి. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ బాక్స్ లో ఎన్ని పార్టికల్స్ మనం పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా స్పేస్ ను ఆక్యుపై చేస్తున్నా దాన్ని ప్యాకింగ్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ అంటాం. ఓకే, 74% వరకు మనం దీన్ని ఆక్యుపై చేయగలుగుతాం ఈ పార్టికల్స్ తోటి. ఈ గ్యాప్స్ అనేది చూసారా, ఈ గ్యాప్స్ అనేది వేకెంట్ స్పేస్. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ SCP or FCC 74 packing efficiency is there, the remaining 25% is empty space is there. Okay, okay students, you have to write up. Already we discussed the tetrahedral and octahedral voids also. Okay, see you tomorrow.